Okay guys, so today we're going to be installing the Smittybilt SRC Roof Rack. It's a 4-point roof rack. It's going to hook here, come across the top, and you can hook it either up on the back quarter panel here, or you can go down and tie to your frame and come out and hook on. I haven't decided which way I'm going to go yet. It came with both hardware, so we'll get to it and see what we get here. Also, I want to add, the reason I went with this roof rack is because it allows you to open and close your Sunrider with the roof rack on there. And what I'm actually going to do is try to have my rooftop tent more centered here on the back, and then that way I can open and close my Sunrider along with having a rooftop tent on here all the time. So stay tuned.
I want to remind everybody real quick, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like our video. By doing this, you help us be able to make more videos like this in the future. So if you like our reviews and you like what you see here, please don't forget to subscribe.
Okay guys, so I wanted to talk about a normal complaint that everybody that I've had has had with this rack so far. And that is, they've powder coated the whole rack, right? But on the inside, the powder coat only goes right to the lip of it. And the complaint that people are having is water's getting inside of this and it's rusting the inside a little bit, and then that causes the rusty water to run out and it makes the thing look rusty. So what we're gonna do for a solution for that is we're gonna put some of this big gap filler, and we're gonna fill all the insert holes before we put them together. And I don't know if that'll completely take care of the problem, because this isn't made to be soaked in water, but it should keep the rusty water from flowing around inside of these, and hopefully it will take care of it altogether. So stay tuned here. It's gonna take a little longer because we have to do that, but we should be able to get it done. So we're on the passenger side here, and you've got this piece, it's like an elbow that curls up, and this will mount right onto these back two bolts on your frame back here, okay? Just like that. And then your pole runs up for your back area to hook up here, the back part of your rack. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side with the other angle. So as you can see right back in there, you should have two bolts. Mine only has one. I'll get the other one in it.
Can't do anything.
In the garage, there's that black bottle of stuff that you clean paint off with before you put sticky tape on it. Need that.
doubt they'll be long enough.
Alright, so as you can see, we moved the Jeep in here into the shop, which is a wreck right now because we're in the process of trying to move. It got cold and got windy outside, so we're going to try to finish it up in here. It's probably going to get dark soon. It's going on 3:30, so. Now, let's get the heat going. So we're in the garage here, and I wanted to show you something. This obviously mounts here like normal, but the question that I know a lot of people have, me included, was can you use this with a snorkel? Now this is the Rugged Ridge snorkel, and yes, you can use it. So you can see I've got my snorkel, and it just comes to the outside of the Rugged Ridge snorkel, and it just clears the top of it. So if you have a snorkel and you want, this is another reason that we chose this roof rack. So there's what it looks like. Also notice we've got our little DeWalt heater running as well. Brandon should be happy about that. And we've got our big HVAC heater running, heat the shop up quickly. And she's trying to fix the vacuum that we ran over with the Jeep when we came in. Okay, so as you can see, we've got it halfway on. In the instructions it says what to attach it. You said build it on a table or
Put
something?
this part and then put this part together on a table. But this part's not supposed to be attached yet.
On the video, or on the instructions, you're supposed to put the front on and then build the whole back half together and kind of slip it on and bolt it on. But we've kind of done things a little different. What we did is we just left the bolts loose enough back here to where we could pull these apart and then hook them together. So we're building it on the Jeep instead of building it on a table and then trying to fight it on here because it's just the two of us. All right.
Watch out for that camera right by the door.
So we're getting really close to finishing here. As you can see, I did not go with the slant back roof rack because I want to put a couple of roto packs here, or maybe a roto pack on this side and a propane tank on the other side. We've still got to get our crossbars up there. Obviously we're going to leave the crossbars up here where the Sunrider is blank. As you can see here, there's room for the snorkel. We're going to put lights above. It's got 4 spots cut out for light pods. We'll be putting them up top. And this is kind of what the Smittybilt SRC looks like so far. So we'll give a more detailed look when we get it outside and we finish up here.
Yes.
Okay, so we're just kind of finishing up here with the main installation parts. So you can see we off the hook to the frame down here. Come up with our bar, leave our space in the back there. You've got 2 spots right up here to mount lights here and over there. As you can see, we got the Sunrider open right now. We're kind of hoping to be able to fit our rooftop tent on these 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 crossbars. We'll see. Okay, so we've got all the lights on. This is kind of what it's going to look like. We've got the 5-inch pods up top. We've got the 7-inch pods on the bumper, along with the rigid floodlights. So this will be pretty much how it looks. Question is, how long will it run before it kills the alternator? Stay tuned.
I will also include in the description a link to each of these products that I've installed. These lights, both on the roof rack and on the front bumper. Also the snorkel kit, and I will also include a link to the SRC Smittybilt roof rack that I've purchased. We plan on doing some other additions to this rack in the future. Stay tuned for those and we'll release a video on them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and episodes of our off-roading adventures. You can also find in the description below links to our other review videos. Thanks again. Stay safe out on the trails.